So that's going to be my first point in black shading for color tattoos. We talk a lot about gray shading. Whenever I'm doing black shading or shading for color tattoos, I'm really only using black. Very rarely am I dipping into grays. I'm varying my pressure and I'm getting some grays, but I'm not using a lot of gray washes. But when I'm thinking about large pieces, and this is a full sleeve that I'm working on right here, I'm really thinking more abstractly and from a compositional standpoint at this phase. I'm trying to think of where my large masses of dark are and where my large masses of light are. Also, I am not really concerned with getting a full saturation of these blacks. If you'll notice the way that I'm moving the machine and look closely at the ink as it's going in, it's not really that saturated. And the reason being is I know that I'm going to come back and lay color directly on a lot of this, and I'm going to be able to tint it either warmer or cooler depending on what I need for that part of the tattoo. So basically, what I'm thinking of at this phase is, where is my light coming from? What is the form that I'm trying to describe? And where would the light be hitting it? If you look right here, it looks like I'm kind of sketching off to the side. I'm starting to describe that form.